Hey everyone, welcome to my video. We're gonna do just a chatty get ready with me video. So we'll start off by this mug that I got at Marshall's last fall. Love it. It came out for like Halloween time and I love it. I really like black cats. I have learned that as much as I love dogs, I think that personally I'm probably more a cat person to take care of. Just because low maintenance is more what I can handle. Just love black cats. Also very like punk rock New York style today. We're just going all black. Wasn't feeling my best, but when I dress in all black I always feel good. So let's get ready. And then my coffee is like it's bourbon barrel infused aged coffee. So I like have like this tiniest like drop, like literal drop of cream in it just to cool it down a little bit. Otherwise I like it black. It's very like smoky and like cigarette and bourbon, and it's very good. It's a Starbucks Reserve coffee that is like $70 for a tiny bag, but I baby this coffee and I love it. So we're gonna start off with, I believe, my LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream as my moisturizer. And just put this on. I like that we're starting to get to warmer weather. We had some snow the other week. Did not like that. I'm not a fan. Snow can be pretty, but when your car refuses to start whenever it snows, you quickly become not a fan of the snow. Because when it's warm, my car runs absolutely fine. And like everything is fine with it. The starter's fine, the alternator's fine, the battery's fine. So I just have to check my car every time it snows. Because my car is just like, we are giving up. We don't want to go anywhere. And I'm like, relatable, same. But we gotta go to work. And for eye cream, good molecules. I think this is pretty much the only eye cream I've been talking about on both Instagram and my YouTube, so y'all know I love it. Though we'll probably have to find a different one for the summer just because it is so hydrating and I become very much more oily in the summertime, so we'll need a different one in the summer. At least that's my guess. Don't know yet because I started using this in September, I believe it was. I hadn't decided what foundation I was getting. I have this new Milani one to try, but I think this might be too dark and too yellow. Even though it's a neutral, I think it might be too dark. This is too dark for me right now. I want to wear my Giorgio, but we're trying not to wear that. So our choices are the Revlon Candid, which is no longer made, the e.l.f. Soft Glam, or the L'Oreal Lumi. I do like the L'Oreal Lumi, but we also need to use up the Revlon. So I think we'll use up the Revlon one. I'm just gonna mix both. Candid, which is just the regular. Yep. I'm gonna do some of this. And then we're gonna add some the glowy one. These are both shades 130. It's definitely a little on the lighter side, but I'm like such in between foundations right now. It makes it difficult for me to color match. Cause I'm like not a full pale foundation, but I'm not a full like light to medium. I'm like a shade that doesn't exist right now. And I think that's why I like my Giorgio right now so much. Because as it blends in very well, even though it is a tad dark for me right now. I just like how it looks. All right, so we're gonna use the Collection Lasting Perfection Hydrating Concealer in shade 54. This is, well, the OG, the hydrating one wasn't existed like 15 years ago on the UK Beauty Tube, but whenever I go to the UK, I always pick up some of that concealer because I love it. And then we're going to use some of this Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand in Sunbeam for just a little bit of glow. That came out thick. I haven't used this in forever, but I'm trying to use it more of my different makeup products. Ooh, I forgot how much I like that. Okay, that's pretty. And then for contour, we're going to use this CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm in Define. I feel like this is the most cool toned item I've used in a very long time. Okay, I feel like I've been using a lot more warmer toned items. And this is just the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. And this is like the Paw Paw Beauty sponges. You get on Amazon. I kind of like that. I think it's also the cheapest contour product I have. I really like that. There's sometimes CoverGirl products that I like, and that is one of them. They had a highlighter that they had years ago. Loved it. It was a huge pan, and I like used up the whole thing. That's when you know a product's good. Okay, I like that. All right, for blush, we're either gonna use this Bare Minerals or this Jouer. I don't think I've used Bare Minerals once, so maybe use the Jouer. This is more shimmery, it's more matte. I think we're gonna go Bare. Do the Bare Minerals. Let's also, do you like my new water bottle? I'm a huge fan of her. They're pretty. And it has a bit of shine to it too. So I have started using the dating apps, and let me just say, very, very interesting. I've gotten ghosted a lot or unmatched, and a lot of these guys are just looking for a pen pal and don't actually want to get to know me or take me out. It's very annoying. So learning, not a fan of the dating apps, and I've told my friends that they need to set me up. Okay, really like that. That is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur and Blurred Buff. And for powder, I feel like normally I would use my Huda Beauty or my Hourglass. So we're gonna pull out our Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in R210. And then this is just my Julep bronzer brush. We're just gonna use that. Go a little bit on the other eyes, and then the chin, and then a little bit on the forehead, like so. And that's pretty much all I put powder. I was watching a react video for 2000 punk pop music, and that reminded me that I'm going to see Avril Lavigne this summer, which I am super excited for. And her openers are Simple Minds and We Three Kings, and I'm so excited. So I created I have a bunch of punk pop music in like a bunch of my playlists, but I decided to make just a specific pop punk playlist just to get excited for the concert, which is in June. I have another concert before that. I'm seeing Forrest Frank in March, end of March, which you're probably watching this video in March, so in a few weeks. I'm probably gonna vlog the concert, and because I'm going with one of my best friends on a day trip. It's out of state, and out of state concerts, they're fun. So I'm super excited. Though we're going somewhere for the concert where I didn't realize fully where the venue was, and I was like, oh, but it's okay, we'll have fun, but you'll see why later. I'm gonna keep y'all guessing. Okay, that was just my Makeup by Mario, my classic pinky brown shade that I just love for everything. And then I just use the It Cosmetics blending brush. It doesn't even have the name on here anymore, but I love this. I have several of these. We're not going to do shimmer because I think instead we're gonna like do a lot of liner. We're gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Perversion, which is their black, their matte black. This is one of my favorite black pencil eyeliners. I used to like the Marc Jacobs Beauty one, but it dried out, and Marc Jacobs Beauty, it doesn't exist anymore. I need Marc Jacobs to come back, please. But we're gonna do some black liner, like so, and a little bit down here. Then we're gonna try to like buff it out a bit. So we're gonna use this Morphe M506 brush, and we're gonna use just this dark chocolate brown just to soften it up a little bit, like so. A bit more of that neutral shade, and that like glowy brightness is just from my concealer when I like put it on my eye. Okay, like that. For mascara, we're gonna use the Maybelline Firework mascara. Okay, the mascara is slowly growing on me. I still wish it was a little drier. I feel like I don't really need highlighter. We're pretty naturally glowy. So let's do our lips. We're gonna use the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut pencil. It's definitely on the more pinker side. Then we're gonna take our YSL, which one is this? The Love Shine. I think it's in shade 202. We're just gonna put this on and add a little bit more liner. And then we need a setting spray. Let's use our Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting pack. So we're just gonna add a touch of brown to there. So we're gonna use our Marc Jacobs. The face brush, and just add a little bronzer because this foundation is just a little pale for me. That's the finished look. Should I show you my outfit a little bit? So my lace shirt is from Target, necklace is from Amazon, hoops is from Target, ring is from Altered State, and no, these aren't Altered State. These are Dry Goods. My rings are from Dry Goods. The corset top is from Victoria's Secret. My black shorts are from Madewell from ThredUp, and then my tights are Target. So yeah, very black on black. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.